Hello everybody, welcome back to Two Tech Explorers, the channel where we explore latest developments in technology. In this video, we will discuss about explainability in artificial intelligence, AI. Explainability is an important concept in AI that aim to address the need for understanding and accountability in AI systems. Let's explore this concept in more detail. Explainability in AI refers to the ability to provide understandable explanations for the decisions or predictions made by an AI system. Explainable AI focuses on bridging the gap between the complex inner workings of AI models and the human understanding of those models. Here are some approaches to achieving explainability. Post-hoc Interpretability. This approach involves analyzing the outputs of a trained AI model to generate explanations after the model has made its predictions. Techniques such as feature importance analysis, saliency maps, or model-agnostic methods like LIME, local interpretable model-agnostic explanations, fall under this category. Rule extraction. Some AI models, like decision trees or rule-based systems, are inherently interpretable, and their decision-making process can be represented as a set of rules that can be easily understood by humans. Simplified models. Instead of using complex black box models, simpler models like linear regression or logistic regression can be employed to achieve explainability. Although these models may sacrifice some performance, they offer transparency and interpretability. Visual explanations. Visualizations can be used to provide intuitive explanations of AI models. For example, heat maps can highlight the areas of an image that influence the model's decision, making it easier to understand. Explainability helps users, regulators, and other stakeholders to comprehend and validate the decisions made by AI systems. It is particularly important in critical domains such as healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles, where understanding the reasoning behind AI decisions is essential for safety, fairness, and ethical considerations. Explainability is hand in hand with transparency, and both aim to make AI systems more accountable, fair, and understandable to humans. These concepts encourage responsible AI development and deployment, foster trust among users, and facilitate regulatory compliance in the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. We request you to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Also, please enable the bell button to get notifications about our latest videos on technology. Thank you.